the Ibachi, an individual has everything it takes to do what their chi brought them into the world to do. This is the space of your spirit that your Ikenga sits. Your Ikenga is your physical and spiritual will, your ability to actualize what you desire through your own efforts, or the kinetic force of your chi moving through time and space. This is also the space where your Omumu sits, or your manifesting ability, your ability to make your desires an actuality without force or motion, but through the sheer force of manifestation. Both the Ikenga is the masculine force an individual has in the world, while the Omumu is the feminine.
Understanding the Igbo Cosmos series. Lesson 2. The spirituality, in bracket, religion, stroke worship system of Ndi Igbo. The only genuine spirituality or religion, as it has been reduced by many, that is void of falsehood, merchandising, priestcraft, and subtleties, is the traditional spirituality. The original tradition of every race and tribe is their only true spirituality, and that is the only worship that flows in harmonic order with the laws of nature. Having learned from the previous lecture, the first in the series, the Supreme Being, that there is only one being or chi or God that owns and rules the universe, you must now understand that the problems we are having in belief and conceptions about the true God is due to variation in languages and tongues, by extension, the variance in traditions and customs. Therefore, when we talk about the spirituality of Ndi Igbo, we can deduct that the only true worship system of Ndi Igbo is embedded in Omenala stroke Odinala. I use stroke because in places like my place, we only know what is called Omenala. In some other places, they say Odinala. Although some people have tried to differentiate between the two, but the truth is that both of them is one thing. The greatest problem and misconception that our spirituality as a people has suffered is that Ndi Igbo, who are currently predominantly Christians and Sabbatarians, now think that if they practice Omenala stroke Odinala, they will be said to be worshipping idols or evil spirits. This is the greatest fallacy of all time. It is a falsehood propagated by the white missionaries whose only mission was to distract and to destroy us. That they have achieved very well. All of us can testify to that. Omenala or Odinala consists of our language, marriages, ceremonies, dances, technology, dressing, food, spirituality or religion as many call it, music, folklores, etc. The spirituality of Ndi Igbo as embodied in Omenala or Odinala consists of a worship system that connects from the high up towards down. This worship system flows through three supernatural beings, and they are: number one, Chukwu Okike Abiama; number two, the spirit messengers as the deities; and number three, our ancestors. The highest in the order of the spirituality of Ndi Igbo is Chukwu Okike Abiama, who is the known creator of the universe. Then, in the condescending order, the spirit messengers who has taken form as deities are the next. These include messengers like Amadioha, Agbaranze, etc. These are followed by our ancestors, who we know that they connect us to Okike via the messengers who has taken form. Ndi Igbo believes that Okike Abiama is the only supreme being who made all things, and that the spirits that has taken form are his messengers, and that our ancestors are connected to these supernatural beings who sustain our daily living from above. Ndi Igbo does not recognize death as an end of a human, no, but as a transition of the human soul that journeys on in the great beyond. These human souls reincarnate back here on earth from time to time in order to fulfill or to complete their unfulfilled missions or desires in the previous earth life. By this, Ndi Igbo see life as a continuum, as the reincarnated ones are usually duly recognized wherever and whenever they return. In the spirituality of Ndi Igbo, we connect through libations and oracles, similar to the way the white man prays to his own God using oils and other ordinances. It is not idolatry. Read me again. The use of libations and oracles in the Igbo spirituality is not idolatry. In fact, the spirituality of Ndi Igbo shuns idolatry. It does not relate or link idolatry in any way. If anyone claims that the spirituality of Ndi Igbo relates idolatry, then we can say it authoritatively that the white man's religion, which have distracted millions of people worldwide, is also idolatry in its totality. The fulfillment of these ordinances of spirituality in Omenala or Odinala is what makes the Igbo society unique and great. That is the true religion or worship system of Ndi Igbo. Any other thing is a foreign distraction to help destabilize and destroy our society. The deviation to foreign worship system is what has resulted into slavery, into famine, into lawlessness, into crimes upon crimes being witnessed within the Igbo society today. My dear Ndi Igbo, it is time to revert back to our own true worship system again. Thank you for joining us, and do not forget to share. Watch out for lecture 3, the personal chi. I am Nwada Nkemderem. Please follow us on Facebook. My Facebook page is Nkemderem. Thank you for listening. Ka Chukwu Okike Abiama gọzie anyị niile. Ise.
wutewe m mgbe ọ bụ na ọja ghara ihe niile na-eri m mmụọ ahapụ n'ụmụ aka. Igbo amaka.